So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can copy anything from your phone to your computer wirelessly. That is, you are not going to need any wire at all. So as you can see, so I can just drag this item from this phone to my system. Whatever it is you are copying can be video, it can be anything like pictures, videos, documents, and even folders can be done using this method. The first thing you need to do, download and install Xender from the App Store or from the Play Store if you are using Android. In this case, I'm using Android. I've already installed it, so I will just open it. So once I click on open, it opens up like this. So look at that little plus at the top, then click on it and you see connect to PC. It looks like this. Now what you have may not exactly be like what I have. It depends on the phone you are using. Okay, so but one thing is sure, what you should see is something like hotspot, Bluetooth, Open WLAN and things like that. So just click on any of them, then you activate or let the Wi-Fi be on. So you can see that my own hotspot is on, Wi-Fi is on, that's Open WLAN is on, then Bluetooth is on. Then also enable the GPS if it is available. So once you do it, then it opens like this. Now what we are trying to get to is for us to be able to activate the next button underneath here. So as you can see, the next button is now activated. So click on it or touch it on your phone. So touch it on your phone. So once you do that, it opens this scanning process. So you can see the scan QR code to connect. Now don't bother scanning anything. So all you need to do is, you see that orange button there where you have connect to web. Yes, touch that. So once you tap it, it generates this URL or this address. So now we are going to now open the web browser on our PC, on our computer. So my phone is at the right, the browser is at the left. So once you open the web browser, enter the URL that the app generated, as you can see in the address bar. Once you do that, press enter. So you can see that it's asking me to accept. You can see that they are both connected now. The handshake has been done, so I need to confirm it. I'll click on OK, click on confirm here. So you see that I'm in. So what you can see here is the entire phone inside the PC. So here I can do a lot of things ranging from copying of files. So you can, if you look at the number of pictures I have, it is 6,065 pictures. Then videos are 315 and so on. So select everything that you want to save in the system or transfer. So then after you have selected it, look at this download button there, click on it. So once you click on it, it's going to download as a group. All right, so it will be everything that will be put in a zipped folder. So it has been downloaded now. So open it like this, then unzip it. So in my case, I've just unzipped it. So after unzipping it, you see all the pictures. So there they are. So see all the pictures here. Of course, what I have in my phones and what I have in my phone, they are more than this anyway. All right, so see all the pictures here. So you can now do whatever it is you want to do with it. Okay, so then apart from that, you can also go to the other folders there. For example, the videos or the music. Then you can even upload. That is, you can upload from the phone. You can upload from the PC or computer to the phone and vice versa. So which means that you can actually upload anything from your system now to the phone. Okay, so as you can see, so you can literally copy even folders. For example, just highlighted all now, but I can just download all of them if I want. So I can drag anything from the PC to the phone. So I can just drag, you can see now, so it's uploading. So this one will now be sent into the phone without issues. This approach allows you to copy anything from your phone to the computer or PC, and from the PC to the phone without using any cables at all. So I hope this helps you. Consider subscribing to this channel if you have not done so already. Like the video and share it. Thank you for watching. See you in another video.